In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make Volk's video just like this. Check this out.
NVIDIA invests in OpenAI. OpenAI pays NVIDIA for chips. Microsoft funds both sides. The same dollars run in a circle, and every lap, the valuations climb. AI data centers are now driving more growth than American consumers. But MIT just measured the gap everyone's been ignoring. AI can technically do $1.2 trillion of human work. Companies are actually paying for a tiny fraction of that.
This Sunday, the biggest World Cup in football history crowns its champion in New Jersey, and someone somewhere is quietly left holding an enormous bill. 48 teams, 104 matches, 3 countries, and 5.5 million fans. Nothing this big has ever been staged. FIFA expects roughly $11 billion from this single tournament, which is over 50% more than Qatar earned and stands as the biggest payday in FIFA history.
And that was all done possible with the latest model of Seedance 2.0 and Gemini Omni. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use those models, combining that with the skills that I built called Volk's skill, which takes a simple one command, and it's going to help you to generate that kind of video in just a couple minutes. So with that being said, if that sounds interesting, let's get into the video. Alright, so to get started, here you can see I created a repository for this video called Volk's. And everything about the skills, all the stuff that we're going to do in this video is all packaged in this repository. So all you can do here is just going to clone that repository on your local machine, or simply just going to click on like download as a file, or just going to download onto your local machine. And you can start to follow along this video and use what I use here. Okay. Furthermore, if you're using Claude Code Web, you can also click on this link and just going to download the skills. You can load that into your Claude Code Web and it's going to use it right away as well. Okay, so there's 2 ways. Either you can use it in Claude Code, or you can also use it in Claude Code Web. So once you have that down, the next thing I'm going to show you here is what are the skills that we have in this repository. So right here you can see these are the skills that we have. So the main skill is the Volk's style skill that I created, and essentially is the main skill that has a full pipeline, ask a series of questions to narrow down exactly what kinds of video you want to create, right, in a Volk's style. And underneath it, it also uses like some Higgsfield skills that is going to actually help us to generate videos, right? Actually help us to creating like an explainer video, generate videos, also using the same identity for the soul. So those are the things we have here. And then furthermore, if we scroll down a bit more, you can see that these are all the parameters that we can set in the .env file. So you can think of that environment file here as kind of like, okay, the variables you have, right? It's the parameters. So you can see that by default, we're going to creating videos with a vertical video, right? You can also do landscape if you want. Simply just going to set that in your .env file. And also you can do a default minutes. So how long you actually want to do the video for. You can also set the subtitles if you want to turn on or off. You can also add the characters if you want to do that, language, right? So much more here. Now, what we're going to do here is I'm going to navigate to my repository. Right here, you can see this is my repository. I already have cloned that repository into this folder already, open it in VS Code. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to start my Claude Code session. And then once I'm in the Claude Code session, I'm going to switch over to using auto mode. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to trigger that skill. So in this case, the skill is called Volk's style. And I'm just going to explain exactly what we're trying to do. So in this case, the topic we're going to do here is called AI bookkeeping. Okay. And what's going to happen is that once you give it a topic, it's going to do some research, create a script, storyboard, and everything else, pieces all together, and then it's going to start to generate the video and then put that inside of the output folder. Okay. So everything is all done automatically. So you don't have to worry about the research. It all done that for you. You don't have to worry about the scripting because it all done that automatically for you as well. So in this case, I'm going to say AI bookkeeping, and I want you to do a research on bookzero.ai, which is my product. And I want you to tell a story on how AI bookkeeping is actually helping business to save time, money, efforts, resource, and so many more, right? Giving real stats. And then I want you to, at the end, pivot, or in this case, promote the product that I built, bookzero.ai, that does exactly that. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to submit that as my topic, and I'm just going to correct myself here. I meant bookzero.ai, so it actually can look at the right resource so that it knows the right place to do the research. So in that case, I'm going to submit that, and let's see what it does here. Okay, so right off the bat here, you can see we got our question. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see that we triggered the user question. So you can see that total there are roughly around 7 questions, depends on the questions or the answer that you pick. So here you can see found bookzero.ai. So AI receipt scanning. So it basically has found the description of what our product does. So in this case, it's asking what we're trying to make: a video about my business, explainer video, find me a story first, or a whole series. Okay, so there's different types that you can make here. It doesn't really have to be an explainer video. It can be all kinds, right? It could be like a product promotions. It could be you have explaining a story, or it could be like a whole series, like a series of Bible kind of thing, right? Or different episodes. So in that case, I'm gonna choose the third option, which is like find me a story. Now, before we go any further, if you want to take your AI skills onto the next level, then I highly recommend checking out our school community called Eric Tech AI Builders. In this community, I'm going to help you to master AI agents, automations, and building real SaaS applications. And the skills or the learnings that we teach in this entire video, I actually have an extension of that inside of our marketing course, where I'm going to take you exactly how you can be able to build a pipeline to generate more kind of content like this, so that you can be able to package that and generate that on a schedule, so that you can be able to automate that process and post it automatically for you on a schedule for different platforms. So if you want to have any questions, there's also Q&A sessions. You can also join in and be able to post it there. I'll make sure to answer your questions within 24 hours. And furthermore, for the calendar here, we also have our weekly live calls. So if you have any questions, you can bring that in our live call session as well. So with that being said, if you're interested for that, make sure to come right in. I'll see you in the community. Okay, so back to the video here, you can see now we're inside of the first question. So right here, you can see we have 3 candidates. Then we're gonna pick a niche. So in this case, where should I look for the story? So here you can see we have different options here we can choose from. So AI bookkeeping for small business, accounting professions, or small business money, or we also have AI in the back office. So in my case here, I'm actually just gonna say, I want you to find, stories that related to bookkeeping or small businesses, right? And see how they can actually be able to save hours, time, budgets, so many more, right? To hire a real bookkeeper to actually manage that. You can be able to use a software like this. And furthermore, I also want you to look for real stories. And also, if there's no real stories, I want you to look for, makeup stories too, right? So stories that actually, basically more convincing for people to actually switch over to using, software like our product. And also have the ability here to, look at, well, first of all, explain the stories, explain the benefits, right? Explain the problem, explain the solutions, explain how many hours to save, all the values that our product have. So I want you to actually spend some time here to look at that. So I'm going to provide that as my prompts and just going to have that to focus that particular niche and just going to have it to generate the right story for that. Okay, so then we also have our window here. So how fresh do the story need to be? So it could be evergreen, like last 2 years, right? Or it could be like this month, anything credible, any dates, right? Yeah, let's do, evergreen. And how many candidates should I ever push back? So let's just go with the standard read-art, just 3, faster to read and still ranked. Okay, so I'm gonna go with that option. So you can see that it actually done a lot of web research on different topics around that niche. Okay, so finally you can see it has generated the topic and the script. So here you can see it's 11 night, shop closed 6 hours ago. The rain has not stopped, and neither have you. Okay, so here you can see this is the narration here, tell you the story, and start to talk about the problem, okay? So I really like this. And in this case, I'm gonna say approve, go ahead, and let's see what it generates here after it generates the full video altogether. All right, so here you can see this is the final versions after it has generated. So let me play this and I'll show you what it looks like.
It is 11 at night. The shop closed 6 hours ago. The rain has not stopped, and neither have you. So you sit with a shoebox of receipts, typing them into a spreadsheet one line at a time, adding it up on a calculator. You have been avoiding this box since March, and every single week you avoided it, the box got a little heavier. Here is the thing, you are not unusual. 40% of small business owners spend more than 80 hours a year on this. 80 hours is 2 full work weeks. 10 working days of data entry that you never billed to a single customer. It is not the tax bill that hurts, it is the admin, and 90% of owners say it hits daily operations. That is where Bookzero comes in. You take a photo of the receipt, and that is the whole job you have to do. The AI scans it, extracts the vendor, the date, and the tax, categorizes it, then exports straight into QuickBooks, Xero, or a spreadsheet. Your first 50 receipts are free, no credit card needed. Try bookzero, the AI that keeps your books, at bookzero.ai.
Okay, so pretty much that's the results. Now, obviously the result here is not 100% perfect because you can see that there's some scenes that doesn't really transition well to the next scene. Because what it does behind the scene here is that it actually splits the scene here into, or in this case, the video into different scenes, right? So each scene only lasts for like 15 seconds and have to piece it together one after the other. So what you can do here instead is you can be able to take the previous scene. So instead of generate them in parallel, we can generate them in sequential order and take the last frame of that each scene and pass it to the next scene so that it actually starts on that scene, right? If anyone are interested for that, you can also create a pull request for this and I'll make sure to prove that as well. Okay, so there's a lot of rooms for improvement, and if you guys are interested to see, or in this case, go even further with this, right? Building an entire marketing pipeline for this that generates content 24/7 on any particular topics and help you to automatically do research, generate scripts, automatically be able to distribute it to different platforms. You can check out in our school classroom here for the entire AI marketing course, where we actually building this entire AI automation pipeline for that. But with that being said, if you do find value in this video, please make sure to like this video, consider subscribing for more content like this. But with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.